standards.
Katanat Public Health Engineering trong Sarkar Meghalaya hinin kesngi kala Ralkhe yaka World Water Day arajar arpusau ha ususutham auditorium Shillong halor kapang Water for Peace haba ai jingkran hakane ka program kum ukongsan uba DP Walang Chief Secretary ula banjur halor ka jinglong kongsan jangku haka jingim jongi ki briu bat baka benta jongka haka ban sandur yaka suk kesan bat kaspa kapau kapang pedeng mentau snem Water for Peace kakentu ya iwei pa iwei ban snuthu ya ka jinglong kongsan jangku hakaban kentiu ya ka jinge trailang bat ka jinge snuthu jingmut bat ka roi kapar ka bayai ne ulamat phang halor ki benta pa kongsan jaka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission hakaban penyo ya ka umdi ka bakhu ya baro ka office jongkatnat PHE Mairang ru kala Ralkhe kani kesngi hamadan mot tirot sing mission khanang ban pinsnuthu ya ki breu bat ki samla pulie shaphang ka jinglong kongsan jangku man pinne pensa pat panyada ya ki telong
Significance of water in our lives and its role as a catalyst for peace and prosperity. This year's theme, Water for Peace, resonates very deeply with all of us, urging us to recognize the vital importance of water in fostering cooperation, harmony, and sustainable development. We will delve into the relevance of this theme, particularly in the context of Meghalaya, and explore how initiatives like the Jal Jeevan Mission, that is JJM, are instrumental in ensuring access to clean water for all of us.
Kirikot ka Green Tech Foundation